everyone, Denise here from Sewlimitless, and in today's video I'm going to talk about the Estelle Ponte jacket. It is a pattern from Style Arc and it's a really good one, so let's get to it. So like they say, it's sweater weather, and that is apparently what I've been into because I've made this cardigan, I made a different cardigan. So yeah, that's what I've been into lately. So I want to talk about this one. As the name says, it's made for, the pattern is made for Ponte knit fabric. It is one of the easiest things you could make. That it's easy and it's super stylish, I think. I'll put up a close-up picture so you can really see. But this jacket, it's basically like a knee-length jacket. I did shorten mine. I shortened the length a little less than 2 inches, maybe 1.25 inches or something. And I shortened the sleeve by about 1 inch. Now, the only reason really that I shortened the length of it is because I had bought 2 yards of this fabric, and I really, even though it says that 2 yards should be enough, usually I like to get a little bit more fabric just in case, but I ended up with enough. But that was one of the reasons that I actually shortened the length of it. As far as the sleeve was a bit long, so that's why I shortened that. Now, what's interesting about this particular pattern also is that where you do not hem the bottom or the sides or even the sleeves. So what I did, there's no instructions, there's no measurements for hems. What I did is, since I have the serger, I serged. It's just done in a blue contrasting thread, but the blue sort of goes with the inside, which is like a navy blue or a medium blue here. The fabric, it is just one piece of fabric. It's not put together or anything like that. This is how the fabric came, and it is I bought it from Angela Wolf, and I will see if she has any more of that, and I can leave you a link. It's rust on one side and navy blue, I think it's called, on the other side. But it is, like I said, just one piece of fabric, is not 2 pieces put together. So for this jacket, you would either want to do something like this or use a material like this where you've got contrast inside and out, or if both sides are the same but they both look good, then that would be, I would say, the best type of fabric to use for this particular jacket. It does also have inseam pockets here, which is always nice, just in case your hands get cold, you get nervous, you want to quickly have a place to put your keys, whatever. It's always nice to have pockets. I always like pockets and things, so those are there. I basically just serged pretty much everything. It's not really reversible. I mean, the way I did it, it really isn't reversible, but I think it would be very easy to make it a reversible garment. You would probably have the serging would show on the wrong side if you turned it inside out. Let me put it that way. If you were to serge it, or if you did some sort of, what is it, flat filled seam, something like that, you could do some kind of seam finish so that it would look nice on both sides. I didn't really do that. Particularly around the neck here, it's just sewn. I think it would be pretty easy to make this into something that would be reversible. It's only 4 pattern pieces. I actually put this together in an afternoon. If you're not familiar with Style Arc, they are out of Australia, I believe. Like you see here, I have the paper pattern, and they sell I'm pretty sure I got this one from Amazon. They sell them, they have a Amazon shop, or you can get from them directly. It does take longer to get, obviously, if you're in the States like I am, it's going to take longer to get something from Australia. But I have done that before, and their patterns are are great. They are stylish. They're, for the most part, I don't have a problem with the fit on their patterns. They do offer multi-size patterns as well. So this one, I believe, is a multi-size pattern. Yeah, but they also have a size chart online, which is pretty good. And like I said, I personally have not had a problem with fit issues, whether it is something like this or even with pants. And pants can be tricky sometimes. So it's definitely something to look into if you like. But this one, like I said, it is just really nice, super simple. Depending on your fabric choice, they basically, it's for Ponte knits, but you can use any type of stable knit. So I guess that would also include if you had a double knit fabric, that would also be considered a stable knit that you would be able to use for this. That is it. It is super easy and stylish and nice and very comfortable to wear. So yeah, if you have questions about this, what I made, or about the pattern or anything like that, please leave them down below. I love when you all communicate with me, and I appreciate all of you for watching. Please go ahead and hit the notification bell and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you all in the next video. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.